Would you love to be my tea? 'Cause I believe. Wake me up in the morning when I call to cover me. Would you love to be my peace? 'Cause I believe. I've been through so many pain. Heal me whenever I need. Would you love to be my Kievo? Open mind, just a little heart. Would you love to be my Kievo? Telling me if I believe. Would you love to be my Kievo? Take me through the dark.
Wahai Aflah Zakinov Irta.
Iya Pak.
Aku nikahkan anak kandungku Vinny Khairatunisa dengan engkau dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat dan 10 gram logam mulia tunai.
Aku terima menikahi anak kandung Bapak Vinny Khairatunisa dengan mahar seperangkat alat sholat dan 10 gram logam mulia tunai.
Would you love to be my tea? 'Cause I believe. Wake me up in the morning when I call to cover me. Would you love to be my peace? 'Cause I believe. I've been through so many pain. Heal me whenever I need. Would you love to be my Kievo? Open mind, just a little heart. Would you love to be my Kievo? Telling me if I believe. Would you love to be my Kievo? Take me through the darkness so easily. Love is the key. Would you love to be my Kievo? Open mind, just a little heart. Would you love to be my Kievo? Telling me if I believe. Would you love to be my Kievo? Take me through the darkness so easily. Love is the key.